In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Gmail email in a Google Drive folder. Start on the Google homepage. In the top right, open the Google Apps grid, then choose Gmail to jump into your inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want the email and Drive file to live, so everything stays in one place. Open the message you want to keep. If the email includes attachments and you want to check them first, click the attachment thumbnails to preview them. You can come back to those in a moment. For now, we'll capture the email itself as a neat, shareable file. In the Gmail message view, choose Print. This opens your browser's print window. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. This creates a clean copy of your email, including headers like the subject and timestamp. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later, then choose a familiar location on your computer, like the Downloads folder, and save it. If your browser asks about margins or background graphics, the defaults are usually fine, but enabling backgrounds can preserve logos and colors if you want the email to look closer to what you see on screen. Next, head to Google Drive. If you already organize your files into folders, navigate to the folder where you want this email to live so it uploads directly to the right spot. Click New, then choose File Upload. Your file picker will open. Find the PDF you just saved, highlight it, and click Open. You'll see an upload indicator in the lower corner of Drive, and when it finishes, the PDF will appear in the folder you're viewing. That's your email safely stored in Drive and easy to share or reference. If that email had attachments you also want in Drive, click each attachment in Gmail to download it to your computer.